For this week's Tool Talk on evaluating, I chose this app called Intro to Psychology Mastery. I've seen this before in the App Store while looking for apps to use in Tool Talks, but I never downloaded it until now. It is very useful and I plan on using it going forward. As you can see, this app has a lot of useful information for psychology majors or even students taking any psychology classes. I first chose the terminology option. It has all of the terms for each category of psychology. I chose the set that I'm most familiar with to test my skills. They have it in a flashcard setting to help you start getting to know the words. You can put it in 3 different sections with words you know, words you somewhat know, and words you don't know at all. This way you can add more words into the ones you know when you get better. In this section there are 198 words, and it tells you how many words you haven't looked at yet, aside with the 3 sections you already made. Another thing that this app has that is very helpful that I haven't seen before is the mnemonics section. It helps with memorizing the words by giving you a way to look at the words so you remember it better. I always liked mnemonics because they helped me when taking exams and when using terminology. Since I haven't taken any tests at all, my progress is at 0%. When it tests you, you have the option to test yourself in certain categories or test you on all the terms in the application, which is for when you already have gone through every section and have categorized all the words. So after you answer the question, it tells you if you are correct or incorrect. You do the same with the questions as you do with the terms and place them in different sections based off of how well you know them. If you answer the question incorrectly, it will tell you and you can put it in the don't know section. It also gives you an explanation to the question to help you better understand it. This also does the same thing when it's correct. It's just the question in more detail. Once you answer more questions, the sections will have more to choose from. Your don't know section will be a lot bigger than just 2 terms. You can also try and re-answer questions to see if you know them better after studying them. After this, I went to My Progress. This is where you see how far you've gotten with the terminology. You can see your performance for each section along with seeing it as a whole.